Man prostrating on the day of act. In our own days, it was a very common thing that on the day of the act, the family of the brother said, oh, he has to prostrate. This thing, it's been a long time I've seen it. That they will say that we should prostrate. It's something that is dying out, right? If not already dead. Now we don't prostrate in greeting people or to show respect. This thing will not happen on the day of act. No, it's not akid. It's not akid. It's act. Ain, Kof, and Dal. Act. Can we pronounce it? Uh-huh. So don't say akid. Don't say akid. So on the day of act, you don't wait to discuss such thing on the day of act. That's one error brothers make. Anything around this should have been discussed. We will not come to the day of Nikaah and start now discussing fiqh issues and start dragging issues. You should have discussed all of this and then resolved it before that day. So if you are in such a situation, discuss and resolve this on that day before you create unnecessary crisis on the day of act. The one I've experienced, those brothers just called me. They said, we're going for a Nikah, and I followed them. When we got to the Nikah, they now told me that they told the husband that they will prostrate. So we want you to be able to change it for us. I said, you should have told me this before I came here. But I was prepared. So when I took the microphone, at times our fathers are not difficult to handle. It's we that used to have that assumption. When we say some of these things, the reason they don't accept it is because they feel that you are bringing something new. Particularly, they see it as a form of disrespect. So I did not quote hadith on that day. I quoted Sheikh Adam Abdullah Liloy. I quoted Ad-Din Nasiha, and I quoted Al-Islam wa Taqalid Jahiliyyah. Wayhakomin Jahilu Ma'na al-Haya. That my people are ignorant of what constitutes courtesy and respect. Fortunately, on that day, the man who was the Afar that was insisting was a Markazi. So by the time the funny thing, I used to mention this. When we got there, they said, stand up for recognition. So, okay, they said stand up for Adhkar. I didn't stand up. They said stand up for recognition. I stood up. So that time I stood up. The brothers who brought me from home, unprepared, they wrote me a message. Al-Asfar, fear Allah. Fear Allah and don't say what contradicts Allah. I read it. So after I spoke, so some of these things don't need, I took my phone, I spoke to the family of the lady, and they didn't go back to it. Because I came from a higher authority, right? If you are quoting Sheikh Adam to a Markazi, you have. So now after I said, I now face the brothers, you guys are not serious. And these are some of the problems you brought me into the lion's den. I'm saying, what is wrong with me standing for recognition? Is it an act of worship? So they say, hey, we are sorry and things like that. So these days, I will not go to such occasions. Anything you want to reconcile, do it in the home. The day of Nikah is for us to celebrate. Eat, drink, and then we go home. Not that we will not start bringing tira on that day that, this one is weak. No. So reconcile that in the home before you come outside.